Hey there, good people. We're about to make a quick and easy dessert, a copycat recipe of Applebee's Butter Pecan Blondies. Let's get into it.
Welcome to our channel.
Ballers by Design.
You do it too much.
You gonna say hi?
Oh, my bad.
Hey.
Hey, y'all.
Okay, my baby is gonna make a quick and easy dessert. It is the Maple Blondies. What's the matter? Maple Blondies, like at Applebee's. It's kind of like a copycat recipe, but done real quick and real easy. All right. So she has 2 boxes of cake mix, 1 cup of oil, 4 eggs, vanilla, white chips, and butterscotch chips. Alright? Add it all to a bowl, mix it up, and put it in a pan and bake it. So that's what's about to happen. And once these are mixed together really well, we're just gonna put them in a 9 by 13 inch buttered pan and put it in the oven. Alright, it's gonna go into the oven now. Go ahead and get it, little baby. We have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, we're gonna set our timer for 30 minutes. And we'll be back. All right, now for the sauce. We have 2 tablespoons of butter. A 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And now 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now that it's all done, we just plate it up. And that is it. Doesn't it look delicious? Top it with some buttered pecan ice cream and drizzle your sauce on top, and you have a delicious, quick, and easy dessert. Now it's time to call in our taste tester, Big Mike.
That's quality, guys. Genuinely enjoyable too. Pretty good balance of flavors. It's not too sweet in my personal opinion. Overall, I feel like you guys should give this recipe a try.
All right, you heard him. Y'all give it a try. Love y'all big. See you on the next video.
Peace.